Welcome to our channel, where we bring you valuable home maintenance and HVAC insights. In today's video, we'll discuss the top reasons why you should prioritize regular HVAC maintenance. Taking care of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is essential for optimal performance, cost savings, and the well-being of your family. So let's dive in. By investing in regular checkups and cleaning, you can significantly extend the life of your HVAC system. Routine maintenance prevents small issues from turning into major problems, ensuring that your unit operates efficiently for years to come. This translates into a more reliable and long-lasting heating and cooling solution. Hiring an experienced HVAC technician to perform routine inspections is crucial for identifying potential issues early on. These professionals will assess various components of your system, such as compressors, coils, and electrical connections, to ensure optimal performance. By detecting problems before they escalate, you can save yourself from costly repairs or system failures. Regularly cleaning or replacing your HVAC filters is key to improving indoor air quality and reducing strain on the system. Clean filters maintain efficient airflow throughout your home, while capturing dust particles and allergens. This not only keeps your indoor environment healthier, but also prolongs the lifespan of your HVAC system. Another significant benefit of regular HVAC maintenance is the potential for cost savings. By identifying issues early and improving system efficiency through regular tune-ups, you can save money on both repairs and energy bills. Timely intervention by an HVAC technician prevents minor problems from turning into expensive breakdowns, while optimized system performance reduces energy consumption. Regular HVAC maintenance helps preserve warranty coverage on parts, as many manufacturers require proof of regular service. Additionally, a well-documented history of proper care increases the resale value of your home. Prospective buyers appreciate knowing that the HVAC system has been well maintained, adding to the overall appeal of your property. Taking care of your HVAC system is vital for preserving optimal indoor air quality. Neglecting regular maintenance can lead to the growth of bacteria and mold within components like evaporator coils, which can negatively impact your family's health. You can enjoy fresher and healthier indoor air by preventing mold growth in ducts and other components, and changing air filters frequently. Regular HVAC maintenance plays a crucial role in enhancing safety measures for your family. Malfunctioning equipment can pose risks such as carbon monoxide leaks or electrical fires. Through routine checks performed by professional technicians, potential hazards can be detected and addressed, ensuring the safety of your loved ones. By prioritizing regular HVAC maintenance, you can significantly delay the need for a costly system replacement. Proper upkeep, including checkups, cleaning, and tune-ups, maximizes the life expectancy of your heating and cooling system. This means you can enjoy its benefits longer before investing in a new system. Regular HVAC maintenance is crucial for homeowners who want to ensure system longevity, save money, maintain warranty coverage, improve indoor air quality, enhance safety, and delay the need for replacement. By taking proactive measures and investing in professional maintenance services, you'll enjoy a reliable and efficient HVAC system that keeps your home comfortable for years to come. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.